Number 1. With the world's first self-contained holographic computer, creative agencies are developing mixed reality applications for commercial customers today. From architecture and construction to education and medicine, mixed reality apps are transforming how we do business, how we diagnose and treat patients, and how we explore the world around us. Across North America, trained agencies are digging into HoloLens developer tools and documentation, creating new models for how we design and build, discovering unexpected ways to connect with people and brands, and reimagining how we experience sports and entertainment. This first wave of agencies is already hard at work developing groundbreaking mixed reality apps for the world's biggest companies. And this is just the beginning. We can't wait to see your vision come to life as we create the future together. Number 2.
When I saw this device with accessory and pen, I thought it was just magic.
The sort of shock factor was when it laid flat, the ease of it.
But when I first saw it, I thought immediately, like, this is a game changer.
All of a sudden, you could be really, truly immersed in a drawing.
Having a big screen just means you can simply see more of your music. It's really sharp. Just have it on your piano, fold it down. It's kind of a composer's dream, actually.
Even though, like, this to this is a kind of simple move, I can't believe no one ever did it before because now you can actually put it down and work on it as though it's a drafting board.
All of a sudden, the keyboard and the mouse go away, and it's all you and the device, your pen and the dial.
The dial is so simple. When you first see it, you kind of wonder, well, what's this actually going to bring to the party? You start to realize turning it left and right and pushing it down and pressing hold, it's really powerful. It just adds this extra dimension in.
Whenever we're being most productive, we're using both hands. With modern inputs like pen and touch, those are primarily done with your dominant hand, and your non-dominant hand is sort of left wanting.
The ideas came to me from the API. It informs you of the angle of the device. So I thought, well, degrees, obviously. Why don't we build a protractor tool? So we designed a protractor tool that just sits exactly underneath the device when it's touched the screen, and as you rotate, you just see the two lines and the degrees that you need. So for architects, I would think that that's perfect.
It feels natural, right? So it quiets the noise of the technology to a certain degree, so you can really focus on what you're communicating, what's on the drawings, not what buttons am I clicking, how am I looking at this. I'm uncomfortable hiding behind somebody's shoulder to see what they're doing. So it facilitates the workflow in a much more natural way.
Whenever you're writing music, the key thing is to stay in the moment and just to stay with the clarity of line and the clarity of thought. So any way that you can kind of have your toolbox right underneath your hand and just turn the tools around and manipulate the music as you're writing, that's really cool. That's just, it's keeping you in the moment, it's keeping you in the flow.
There's no menu to open, you don't have to like go look for the icon you want. You just take your hand, you move it over. You kind of know where the tools are on the screen because you have an intuitive feel for that. So you put it near the color, and then you rotate it and it selects the color. And then you can put it over towards the brush size tool and it'll let you set the brush size. So it's just quickly a matter of just doing a motion like that.
When you're using just touch, it's hard to get that precise canvas rotation you're looking for. The surface dial allows you to move it that exact amount that you want.
Toggling between layers, that one's super interesting because logistics is a big part of construction. It's a big part of planning. And so the ability to go forward and backward kind of in time and to do reviews forward back in time to expose more information or less information on the PDF is really powerful. The other is the split screen.
When you take the dial and place it on the screen, the display splits and it's zoomed in, but it knows where you place that dial on the screen.
When you pick it up, it's almost like it's like a rubber stamp in your hand. So we added this mode where you can stamp music around on the page. You can kind of pick up a piece of music there and stamp it there. It's really cool.
When there's actually real hardware and real things that are coming out that are new, it's just a blast to work on.
You're working with dial and pen, and suddenly there are no distractions. You are inside your work, and I think that's exactly where creatives are and want to be.
Number 3.
Introducing the new Xbox One S. The only console where you can play nearly 1,000 games and over 100 exclusives. On the fastest, most reliable gaming network. With high dynamic range, 4K Ultra HD video, and Blu-ray. So bring every last friend you have, and every last enemy too. This is the new Xbox One S. The ultimate games and 4K entertainment system.
Number 4. Number 5.
Sometimes the most powerful things come in the smallest packages. Magic Stick, the most powerful PC stick ever made. The first to run the all-new 14nm Intel Cherry Trail processor. An ultra-fast USB 3.1 with over 10 GB per second speed. Transform your TV screen into a powerful computer that can do virtually anything. Control your Magic Stick using your mobile phone. Run Windows 10 and Android. Use your favorite apps. Play HD games on the big screen. 4K video streaming and watching. Shop online on your TV. Copy files in the blink of an eye. Easily portable for both work and meetings. Magic Stick. Be amazed. Pre-order prices only on Indiegogo.
Number 6.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe for new videos every day.